Hello guys, today's presentation is going to be about the right to repair legal and ethical implications. The right to repair movement notes that manufacturers put a lot of obstacles in the way of consumers and independent repair business. Most manufacturers ban the options available for repair by the use of hard to get or property parts. Diagnostic tools and software needed to do the job, adhesives, or special screws that make the disassemble of the product difficult. Those reasons is that those are considered void if such repairs have been affected by the parties not nominated by the manufacturer. This is achieved throughout the software lockdowns DMR mechanism that impedes third parties' maintenance or modifications. According to companies, such restrictions are required for several reasons, such as safety, product integrity, liability, concerns about intellectual property rights, and so on. They say that third parties' repairs compromise safety, damage efficiency, and leak property business information as well. Those barriers have several serious disadvantages. Those disadvantages cause consumers to inquire unnecessary repair costs or replace products much before the due date, way before the design life of the product. The entry barriers also influence independent repair firms' ability to compete efficiently to repair market. More importantly, the repair barriers contribute to electronic waste increasements, environmental degradation. The Federal Trade Commission reports conclude, concludes, concludes those particles are high and justified mainly and perhaps serve first to protect serve to protect market power and improve profitability as well. The right to repair restrictions and antitrust violations. Most of the repair limitations also violate certain antitrust laws, including but not limited to Sections 1 and 2 of Sherman's Act and Sections 3 of Clayton Act. Basically, those provisions interfere with competitions and consumer choices. Those are illegal tie arrangements on manufacturers' parts under Section 1 of Sherman's Act. Examples include authorizes repairs, servers, or property parts of the product. This therefore means that the sale is tied to a complementary service and competitions and restraints in the market of United States of America and fair trade. Eventually, those consumers will have to pay a high repair cost or discard functional products for non legally warranted reasons. Section 2 of Sherman's Act prohibits monopolization. Under this section, manufacturers can enhance their opportunity, monopolize repair markets by making associated aftermarkets less accessible. The challengers conduct conference an unfair competitive advantage in acquiring the tools, parts necessary to provide independent repair service business. It has therefore a consequence of changing on constraining service prices and milking the customers. Clayton's Act, Sections 3, finally allows definition of exclusive dealing if a manufacturer bars retailers and distributors from providing spare parts or tools to AMs, and which has tendency to lead to exclusives from competitions down to the value chain, while you tighten control in hands of the manufacturers themselves. All those combined degrade consumers' welfare through increasing costs and reduced repair options and perpetual manufacturers' dominance. Um, that's the end, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you.